How to factory reset your AirPods Pro 3. So you may want to do this to reset the settings or also to connect your AirPods to another device. So to factory reset them, come over to the AirPods case and make sure both AirPods are placed inside of the case like this. Now you need to make sure that your AirPods case has sufficient charge, and then what we're going to do is quickly flick open the AirPods case, and underneath this LED light is a small button. So what you need to do is keep double tapping this button until the light turns into an amber light. So let's do this together now. I'm going to keep double tapping this button. At the moment it's a white light, but I'm going to keep tapping it, and you can see now it will turn into an amber color. Now after a couple of seconds it will turn back into a white flashing light, and this indicates that your AirPods have now been reset. If it doesn't work for you the first time, then make sure you tap this button as soon as you open the AirPods lid. So there can't be any delay in doing this. So as soon as you open the lid, that's when you need to go and tap the button like so. So I'm going to double tap, double tap, double tap again. And after a few times, you can see this white light will turn into an orange light. Wait a couple of seconds until it turns back into a white light. You can then close the lid of your AirPods. And now when I go and reopen the AirPods lid, it's now ready to reconnect to a new device using its factory settings.